Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of India's Freedom Series, episode number 4. In today's episode, we are going to talk about a very important topic. Yes, that is about the revenue system which was implemented by the Britishers in India and the consequences of it. So let's start. Yes, before the Britishers came to India, India was ruled by different kingdoms and empires. In those times, the villages were self sufficient. Yes, I mean to say self sufficient because the barter system was applied and implemented in our country. In those times, the villages they were practicing this system, which was a method of exchange in which the goods and the services were traded directly without using money. Money was not needed for everyday transactions. Every family and occupation depended on each other. Yes, villages were largely self sufficient because most of the daily needs were made through the local exchange. Also, taxes were usually collected as a share of their harvest of local produce. In many places, the amount was dependent on the crop and the local conditions. By mistake, due to some of the calamity, if the crops were lost, like because of drought or floods or any other calamity, the rulers they used to give the concessions in paying the revenue. But during British system, this was completely changed. Yes, land revenue had to be paid in cash, often on fixed dates. Even if the crops failed because of drought or floods, the farmers were still expected to pay the revenue. To arrange the cash, many farmers they borrowed money from the money lenders or sold their crops at low prices. Debt increased, poverty spread, and growing resentment against the British policies became one of the factors that fueled resistance across India. This was more than a change in taxation. It transformed villages, life, and became one of the many reasons behind rising anger against the British rule. Yes, so we are going to look at the revenue system which was implemented by the Britishers. Now we are having one question for today. As usual, you have to answer the question in the comment section. Tell me the system that was used in the ancient times because of which the villages were called as self sufficient. Yes. See you in the next episode. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.